Doctors won't tell you this, but your daily habits might be silently damaging your kidneys right now. And today, I'm going to share a natural routine that many people say helps support kidney health. There's one key ingredient in this routine that many people consider the real secret, and I'll reveal it to you in just a moment. If you know someone suffering from kidney failure, kidney inflammation, or kidney atrophy, share this video with them. You might genuinely help someone. This is a 100% natural routine that many people have tried, and some reported noticeable improvements, even in creatinine levels, within days. But before anything else, you need to understand something important. One of the biggest hidden causes of kidney problems today is the overuse of medications, especially painkillers, without proper medical supervision. Many people are unknowingly damaging their kidneys every single day. So rule number 1. Never take painkillers unless absolutely necessary, and always consult your doctor. Now listen carefully because this part matters a lot. Your diet can either protect your kidneys or slowly damage them. If you don't follow the right diet, no routine will give you the results you want. Prohibited avoid completely white bread and pastries, fried foods, sugar and sweets, hydrogenated oils. White heavy check mark instead. Use olive oil, natural animal ghee. Prohibited and avoid soft drinks. Because your kidneys are responsible for filtering toxins, and these habits overload them. Now let's begin with the first step in this routine. A simple blend of cold-pressed sesame oil and pumpkin seed oil. Take 250 milliliters of each, mix them together, and take 1 medium spoon 3 times daily, before meals. Now, here's the part many people are waiting for. This is what most consider the real secret of this routine. It includes gum arabic, specifically the Hashab type, not tal, and high-quality frankincense. Take 1 tablespoon of powdered gum arabic and 1 small teaspoon of powdered frankincense. Add them to hot water. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, and you can add honey if you like. Drink this 3 times daily on an empty stomach before meals. Many people believe this is the core of the entire routine. There is also another powerful mixture that can support this routine. Take 1 kilogram of natural honey. Make sure it is pure. Add 50 grams of propolis, 50 grams of black seed, and 100 grams of bee pollen. Mix everything very well. Take 1 medium spoon 3 times daily before meals. Detox drinks. Now let's talk about something simple but very helpful. Barley water. Boil 1 tablespoon of barley in half a liter of water for 1 to 2 minutes. Then turn off the heat and add parsley. Let it cool and drink 2 to 4 cups daily. This may help support kidney function and help the body in general. Fenugreek can also be used as a supportive drink. If you stay consistent and follow everything properly, some people report noticeable improvements within 15 days to 1 month. Creatinine levels may improve, and overall well-being may feel better. With time and a healthy lifestyle, results may continue over 1 to 3 months. Avoid processed foods, sugar, white bread, and unnecessary medications. Consistency is the key. This content is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Always consult your doctor before starting any treatment. And if you found this helpful, share this video. You might help someone protect their health.